Hello everyone. Good afternoon. We are gathered here for someone special. My little sister. She is growing up from middle school and stepping into high school. That's right. She is growing up. Even though she still uh, watch cartoons on every Saturday evening. I remembered when she started sixth grade in tiny backpack, nervous smile, and a lunchbox bigger than her head. On the first day of school, she got lost on the way to classroom, and somehow ended up with the janitor's closet. But instead of panicking, she came home and promptly told us she has found the secret hallway to school. That's my sister, always turning chaos into an adventure. And honestly, I didn't know how she made it through the middle school, not because of the homework, but she had to survive a group project. You know, it's serious when your biggest academic challenge is convincing your classmates to group chat. But in all seriousness, my sister is one of the most determined, creative, and kind-hearted people I know. You have grown so much these last 3 years, and we all see how hard you have learned. I'm proud of the student you are, but even more proud of the person you are becoming. So here is the new beginning to the next new chapter, to high school adventure, to staying well, to staying strong. May the next chapter will be filled with good teachers, true friends, and maybe a smaller lunchbox. Okay, to my little sister, cheers.